Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing which laptop will be the host and which will act as the second display. Once chosen, make sure both machines are on the same network, ideally wired Ethernet for stability. Install the display sharing app on each device now. SpaceDesk or Windows Project work for Windows, third-party apps for mixed systems. Next, open the app and give permissions, firewall and network access, so the host can broadcast and the client can discover it. This gets you started without delay. Once the software is running, go to Display Settings on the host and choose Extend these displays so the client becomes an extra monitor. You should match resolution and scaling to prevent font or UI blur. For instance, use 1920x1080 on both if possible. Make sure to set orientation and physical arrangement so your cursor moves naturally between laptops. Also tune the app for performance, lower quality for smoother motion, or hardware acceleration to reduce CPU load. That balances visuals and responsiveness. You finish by arranging the displays physically and in settings so workflow is intuitive. Drag a window across to confirm movement. Once satisfied, set your primary display and save the connection profile, or add the client app to startup so the link persists after reboot. If you encounter lag, packet loss, or disconnects, try a wired LAN, reduce image quality, or temporarily disable antivirus/firewall rules for the app. Just re-enable them afterward. That single troubleshooting step usually restores a stable dual monitor experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.